Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these Toy Story chocolate strawberries. We're going to start off by, of course, washing and drying our strawberries very well before we start dipping. I dipped these strawberries the night before they were going to pick up. And honestly, I was even worried about them getting ugly, because once you wash them, they absorb water and they get mushy. So just keep that in mind. It's better if you just dip the day of, or in this case the night before. So these are the colors that I used. I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but it was white, blue, I think yellow, brown, pink. So that's what I'm doing, and they're all gonna have different designs just based on the characters. For Mr. Potato Head, that was a little bit different. I took off the stem and I just completely dipped the strawberry, and this one's gonna be backwards. Now for the Woody themed strawberry, I'm just gonna go nice and steady close to the strawberry so the lines are clean. And take your time, make sure that your chocolate is not too runny or too thick. And look at how clean that looks so beautiful. I made 2 strawberries with this design, and now I'm gonna work on the blue ones. On the 2 blue strawberries, I'm gonna be using white fondant to make some clouds on them. You can stick the fondant on there with some chocolate or with some water. Now right here, I'm gonna make the horse, and I'm just gonna add the eyeballs. All the details are fondant, and right here I'm just adding the top of the nose of the horse, and these are the nostrils I try to make. And now I'm gonna add the ears, and I glued everything with some chocolate. I added a little bit of hair and some eyebrows, and then the eyeballs. I also added his lids using some chocolate. On 2 white strawberries, I also added this cow print, and I also added the cow print to the vest. Forky was one of my favorites, and I just used fondant to make the little spikes on top of his head. I added a little bit of water to my fingers to smooth that out. The eyeballs, the eyebrows. I ran out of my gloves, you guys. I'm so sorry. I know my nails look so gross. I was using a lot of food coloring, so that's why. And so right here I'm doing Mr. Potato Head, and I started working on his hat, his eyes. At first, I made the eyes a little too far apart, so I ended up taking them off and putting them closer to the nose. I then added his mouth, his lips, his mustache. I also added his shoes and his 2 pink ears. And like I had said, Mr. Potato Head was backwards, so I took off the stem, I completely dipped that strawberry, and we're just gonna sit them up like that. Now this is the alien, the little piggy. These were one of the easier ones. I forgot to mention that I did add antennas and the ears on the alien. But anyways, now we're doing Buzz Lightyear. And I wasn't sure if this one was gonna come out right, but I actually really liked it. So I just did 2 purple lines, the top of it green, and the buttons. And this is how the strawberries turned out. I know that it looks much harder than it is, but they were so cute. I absolutely love them, and I'll show you guys right here how it looks like with the box and the bow and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this